Hi, this is Doug, and I'm here to talk to you about politeness. One of the most important things about being polite is not interrupting people.
Daddy?
Yes, Francie?
I forgot.
It's okay. I'm making a video right now, honey, okay? Okay. So, when somebody is...
I remember.
What?
When am I having school again?
You're having school tomorrow, sweetie.
Okay.
So, when a grown-up is doing something that's kind of important to them, or if they're just
Daddy?
concentrating... Yes, Francie?
Where's my dictionary?
An interrupting chicken is a person who interrupts their parents when they're talking.
Daddy,
Yeah.
where's my dictionary?
It's on the bookshelf.
Where?
Over there next to the things that are not dictionaries.
Daddy, where? In the bookshelf.
Can I tell you later after I'm done with my
No.
video? Francie, you have to wait.
No.
Okay. So, when you interrupt people, it's, it's really bad. And so, do not interrupt people. The end.
Daddy?
What?
What's your favorite color?
Purple.
Oh.
Interrupting chicken? Why interrupting chicken?